The cost the government has to bear in importing fuel to the country is rising rapidly. Data issued by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka shows the government's expenditure in importing crude oil for the month of January alone has increased by 147% compared to January 2017. Now, against this backdrop, will it force the government to increase the prices of fuel in the coming weeks?
With the inception of the Good Governance government in 2015, drastic measures were taken to reduce the prices of fuel. This was due to the fact that oil prices in the world market were relatively low compared to the previous years. However, an upward trend in oil prices began to emerge in the world market since the past few months. It was against this backdrop that on the 23rd of February this year, the Lanka Indian Oil Company increased the price of a litre of diesel by 5 rupees and a litre of petrol by 9 rupees. The Ceylon Petroleum Corporation continues to sell fuel at the current price while incurring a daily loss of 33 million rupees.
As we always say, the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation is running at a loss. Fuel is supplied at a lower cost than what it is purchased at. That is the government's policy, and it continues to follow this policy by selling fuel at this price. A decision has not been taken as yet to increase fuel prices.
In a report issued in August last year, Sri Lanka was given until March this year to introduce a price formula for fuel following a directive made by the International Monetary Fund. In its evaluation report, the IMF had called for an automatic pricing mechanism to be formulated in order for Sri Lanka to secure the second tranche of the extended fund facility. It said the delay in implementing this price mechanism has led the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation to continue incurring losses. Speaking to the Daily FT today, State Minister of Finance Iran Wickramaratne said he is to discuss the transparent price mechanism for fuel with the International Monetary Fund on the sidelines of its spring meetings in Washington, which has been scheduled to begin on the 20th of April. The Daily FT, quoting the Secretary to the Ministry of Finance, Dr. R.J. Samaratunga, said the government was working on a pricing formula which would be submitted to Cabinet after discussions between the Finance and Petroleum Ministries are concluded.
This government is saying with uncertainty that a price formula will be introduced and there will be a change. But until such time, we will remain patient. But in the meantime, oil prices in the world market are increasing. It is reaching close to $70. If the country's production is not increasing, modes of income are not increasing, and the economic crisis is not resolving after new currency notes were printed, then I warn that we are in danger.